Are you sure this is $4.99? The price tag says $12.50.
We're having a one-day special. The sale price on desk lamps is $4.99.
Great. Here's my credit card.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. We don't take credit cards for less than $25. You can use a debit card, write a check, or pay cash.
Well, I don't have a debit card or a check. I only have $2 in cash. Can you wait a minute? I'll be right back.
Oh.
5 lamps at $4.99 with sales tax. It will be over $25, right?
Yes. That's $24.95 plus sales tax. Your total is $27.01.
Perfect. Now I can have one in every room. I think I'll need a bigger bag.